So I want you to consider another possibility, and that is if there is a toxic work environment created based on a human rights violation, such as gender, sexual harassment, disability, any legitimate ground of a human rights complaint that led to the toxic work environment, the employee has another alternative. He or she can file a complaint with the Human Rights Commission while still employed. So there's a possibility of still maintaining the working relationship, filing the complaint, and if the company retaliates against the individual for filing the complaint by adverse treatment, termination, or what may follow, the employee can claim further damages due to reprisal, that is, taking action against the individual because of the filing of the complaint. So it's a different world altogether in human rights, because even if the toxic work environment does not reach the grade of termination scale, that it exists, but it's not severe enough to amount to a constructive dismissal, or in human rights language, a poisoned work environment, the employee can still file a complaint, still maintain the relationship, and then see what transpires. Now, chances are the employer is not going to be very happy with that, and it may or may not take retaliatory action. But also, it allows the employee to still maintain the position and maintain employment, and let the employer respond accordingly. In a civil claim, without a human rights basis, the employee cannot take legal action and still maintain employment. Once that happens, the relationship is over, and it will fall on whether there's a constructive dismissal. So keep in mind there's these alternatives in human rights. And again, keep in mind that the human rights claims for lost income are entirely different from a wrongful dismissal claim. It's based on this concept of make whole. So it doesn't matter how long the employee's been there. It doesn't matter if there's an employment contract, typically, that deals with a termination payment. And the employee is an entirely different concept, entirely different jurisdiction for the remedy here. So you got to understand these differences. So be smart and be aware, and good luck.